Hey there, money mavens! Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to drop some serious financial knowledge that will blow your mind. In today's video, we're spilling all the juicy details on Personal Finance 101, and trust me, you're not gonna want to miss this. From budgeting like a boss to crushing debt like a pro, we're diving into everything you need to know about personal finance. But wait, it gets even better. We're not stopping at the basics. We'll show you how to turbocharge your savings, supercharge your investments, and unlock the secrets to financial freedom. Whether you're dreaming of an early retirement, buying your dream home, or starting your own business, we've got the roadmap to turn those dreams into reality. So grab a pen and paper because we're about to drop financial gems that will transform your life. Get ready for the Personal Finance Masterclass you never knew you needed. We'll reveal the secrets to building wealth, conquering debt, and even show you how to make your money grow like magic. So let's jump right in. To start our personal finance journey, let's understand the basics. Personal finance is all about managing your money effectively and making smart financial decisions. It covers a wide range of topics from budgeting and debt management to saving, investing, and planning for retirement. Now that you understand the basics, it's time to set your financial goals. We'll guide you through the process of defining and prioritizing your objectives. By setting clear goals, you will have a roadmap to follow on your financial journey. One of the most essential tools in personal finance is creating a budget. We'll show you step by step how to create a budget that works for you. With a budget in place, you'll be able to track your income and expenses, make informed spending decisions, and achieve your financial goals. Let's face it, debt can be a burden, but fear not. We're here to help you manage it effectively. We'll share strategies to get out of debt and stay debt-free so you can achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. Building a strong financial foundation involves saving and investing wisely. We'll discuss the importance of saving, different types of savings accounts, and provide an introduction to investing. By making your money work for you, you can grow your wealth and secure your future. Your credit worthiness plays a crucial role in many aspects of your financial life. We'll help you understand credit scores and reports and provide tips on how to improve your credit worthiness. A good credit score opens doors to better interest rates and more favorable financial opportunities. Protecting your financial future is vital, and insurance plays a significant role in that. We'll explore different types of insurance, such as health, auto, and home insurance. By understanding the importance of insurance and making informed decisions, you can safeguard yourself from unexpected financial setbacks. Taxes. They can be complex, but we're here to simplify them for you. We'll break down essential tax concepts and provide useful tips to help you navigate the world of taxes. By understanding your tax obligations, you can optimize your financial situation. Retirement may seem distant, but it's never too early to start planning. We'll guide you through the process of retirement planning, from understanding different retirement accounts to setting savings goals. By planning ahead, you can ensure a comfortable and secure retirement. Life is unpredictable, and emergencies can happen when we least expect them. That's why having an emergency fund is crucial. We'll explain why you need an emergency fund and share practical tips to help you start building one. With an emergency fund in place, you will have peace of mind knowing you are prepared for the unexpected. When it comes to real estate, there's a lot to consider. We'll explore the pros and cons of renting versus buying, provide an overview of mortgage basics, and even touch on investment opportunities in real estate. By understanding the real estate landscape, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions. Life is full of significant milestones, and each one comes with its own financial implications. We'll discuss financial planning for major life events like marriage, having children, and planning for education. By preparing financially for these events, you can navigate them smoothly and achieve your goals. Money can be a source of stress and conflict. However, it doesn't have to be that way. We'll provide guidance on how to build a healthy relationship with money and overcome common financial challenges. By mastering your mindset and adopting smart financial habits, you'll be on your way to financial success. Investing can be an excellent way to grow your wealth, but it's essential to understand different investment options. We'll explore stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. By diversifying your investment portfolio and understanding the risks and rewards, you can make informed investment decisions. Compound interest is like magic for your money. We'll explain what compound interest is and how it can make your money grow exponentially. By harnessing the power of compound interest, you can build substantial wealth over time. If you're considering starting your own business, this section is for you. We'll discuss the financial considerations for business owners, including budgeting, managing cash flow, and separating personal and business finances. By understanding the unique financial aspects of entrepreneurship, you'll be better prepared for success. For many, student loans are a significant financial burden. We'll provide strategies for paying off student loans smartly, including options for loan consolidation, repayment plans, and tips for minimizing interest. By taking control of your student loan debt, you can pave the way for a brighter financial future. Effective money management involves both cutting expenses and increasing income. We'll share practical tips for reducing expenses, such as budgeting for necessities and finding ways to save on everyday expenses. Additionally, we'll explore various ways to increase your income, from side hustles to negotiating a raise. In personal finance, it's crucial to avoid common pitfalls that can hinder your financial progress. We'll highlight some of these pitfalls, such as overspending, not having an emergency fund, and failing to plan for retirement. By being aware of these mistakes, you can stay on track towards your financial goals. Ultimately, the goal of personal finance is achieving financial independence. We'll discuss the steps you can take to reach financial freedom, from managing your debts to investing wisely. By following these steps and staying committed to your financial goals, you can create a future of financial independence. And that's a wrap on our Personal Finance 101 mini crash course. We hope you've enjoyed this video and found it valuable. Remember, personal finance is a lifelong journey, and it's never too late to start taking control of your financial future. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.